In the world of custom cars, one project stands out above the rest, the Cadillette. A blend of three iconic brands, this six-wheeled marvel is a testament to automotive artistry. The project began in 2018 when David Blackmore, an expatriate living on the Gold Coast, tasked the workshop with transforming his classic 1959 Cadillac into something truly unique. Originally, Blackmore envisioned a beautiful, classic design inspired by an image drawn by Raymond Picasso. However, he later decided to elevate the project's uniqueness by increasing the car's wheels from 4 to 6. Starting from a 1959 Cadillac flat-top sedan, the Cadillette boasts a powerful 500 cubic inch V8 engine, a front grille crafted from two 1959 Corvettes, and a luxurious interior with a carbon fiber dash and genuine crocodile leather. Hadley Udmans, the mastermind at HBombCustoms and Classics, calls this his most challenging project to date. The level of detail and craftsmanship required pushed the team to their limits. After years of meticulous work, the Cadillette emerged as a 6.2-meter-long masterpiece. Its unique six-wheel design and eye-catching Lamborghini orange paint make it a true showstopper. Cadillette is more than just a car, it's a fusion of history, innovation, and passion. A living proof that when vision meets skill, the extraordinary becomes reality.
Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating exploration. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay tuned for exciting journeys. Until next time, keep driving, keep dreaming, and keep exploring the boundless horizons of automotive design.